Well, let's today I'm lecture on the KenKen puzzle again. In this case, it's 4 by 4. So KenKen puzzle. KenKen puzzle. Well, in general, it's n by n, but in this case, we focus on 4 by 4. Four by 4. So that means you can use 1, 2, 3, 4 to find out the indicated cage number in the cage. Okay. So let me draw the 4 by 4. It's 4 by 4. Then four, in this case, 4 is given, number 4 is given. So that means you don't need to find this, that's numbers 4 is given. So we have 2 minus, that means you have to find any number that add up to or subtract equals to 2. So this 2 is given here. That's a cage. Cage of 2 here. Okay. Then 2 plus 2 with the y sign. So 2 by here. And then the cage from here to here. That's cage 2. Then I have 6. 6 is 6 multiplied. Oh. So 6 is you have the cage from here to here. That's 6. Okay. That's cage here 6. So this is 6. You have 3 column or rows here. And then I have 1. 1 is negative, so the cage from 1 is from here to here. That's 1. But we use different color here. Let's see. So 1 is from here to here. Oh, no. So 1 is from here to here. That's a cage for 1. That's a cage for 1. And 3 So 3 is here, 3 which is minus. So you have to find from 1 to 4, number 1 to 4 that's subtract you 3. That's the case from here to here, that's 3. 3 is from here to here. 3, okay. Then you have 2 divide. 2 divide here. 2 divide here. So then become the case for 2 division is from here to here. That's the divisions. Okay. Now we have 7. 7 plus. 7 plus here. Now let's look at, we can use any number from 1 to 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, to find the number that in the cage. So let's say 2 minus, so what number that use from 1 to 4, what number that can subtract get to 2. So 4 here is given, so I give you that's number 4 already. Okay, let's use 4 here already. 4 is given already. And then you cannot repeat any number, you cannot repeat in row or columns. But you can repeat in the page, but not in the row and column. Okay? Well, let's look at number 7. 7 you can write down, 7 is 3 and 4. Okay, that's only 2 you have, 3 and 4. You cannot use 5 because it's number 1 to 4, right? So if we pick, let's say 3 here, and 4 is going to be in this column here. Okay. Let's solve this one. 6. 6 we can use what? From 1 to 6 multiply here. We can from 1 to 4. We can use 1, 2, and 3. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. I think that's it. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Or 3, 2, and 1 doesn't matter. So I cannot use 3 here because you already have 3 here. Let's say it's 3 is picked here already. So I can use only 2 here. If I pick 2 here, I cannot pick 3 here either. So because repeating, so I can pick 3 here. Cannot pick 3 here. So 3 here, and it's 1 here. So that's not repeating. Or I can pick, okay, let's change this one. Let's say I pick this one 1 and this one 2, right? Let's try that. 1 and 2, okay? So now let's solve for 2. 2 you can have 3, 1. That's bracket 2. Or you can have what? 4, 2. Okay. But I cannot use 4 and you cannot use 4 and 2 because you have 4 and 2 here already. So I can use 1 or 3 here to give 2, right? Okay, so that means 1, 2, 3 is not repeating here. Okay? Now, for 2 divide. So 2, you can use 2, 4, or 4, 2, or you can use what? 2, 1, 4. But I cannot use 2, 1 here because I cannot use 1. I can use 2 and 4 only, okay? Because 1 already have this column already. So we have 4, and I can use 2 here. 2 there. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. And for, that's a page right here, okay? For 1 minus. For 1 minus. For 1 minus, we can use 3, 2, but I can use 3 because 3 in here already. Or I can use 4 and 3, that's all combination I have. Or I can use 4 and 3. Okay. Or I can use what? I'm sorry, the cage for 1 is from here to here. So 4 and 3. Or I can use, I think that's it, right? 2 and 1. Let's try 2 and 1. Also, 2 and 1. Okay. So we know that we have 4 in this one already. So we cannot use 4 anymore. Can we use? We have 3 here, we cannot use 3 this one, so I can use 2 here. If I use 2 here, this one should be 3. Column should be 3. That's in the case now. Okay, now, for 3 minus, I can use, we can use 4, 1. Okay, or we can use 4, 1. That's it. 4. Yeah, I think 4, 1. We can use only 4 and 1. Well, we can use 4 here. We cannot use 1 right here. 4 can be 4 in here and 1 here because 4 minus 1 is 3. Now 2 divide, 2 divisions. 2 divisions we can use 4 and 2. But you cannot use 4 here because you have a 4 over here. You can use 2 and 1. Okay? But I cannot use 2 here, 2 already have right here. I can use 1 right here and 2. So that's solve the problem for 4 by 4 using 1 to 4. And then the operation indicates this is minus. You have to find that 1 to 4 that subtract it to 2 times here 6. You have to find the number from 1 to 4 that's add up. I mean multiply it to 6. And then given the indication of a cages, use indicate. You cannot repeat the row or column any numbers from 1 to 4. So this is the problem to solve. I will do more lecture next time. If you have any questions, I will give more example on probably 1 to 5, but in this case we do 4 to 4 by 4 is 1 to 4. Thank you.